document generator page is one of those secret tools that really helps streamline your onboarding or closing project processes. It is a way of using templated documents to link them, store them, have them in one place, and always be able to reference them. And what you get here is some templated documents. So if you're just starting out and you've got no idea what you should generate for a statement of work or a contractor agreement or a brief, or you just want to tell something about us, or give a standard spiel about you if you're dealing with a new client, then you can click on that document. It will automatically generate the template, and you can then, if you're doing it from the central hub pages, you can link that to a client, or you can keep it unlinked, up to you. But let's link it to client A for the time being, whilst it thinks about generating the document. And I'm going to say to kick off. It doesn't matter, it's just information for your own benefit. Here we go. So we've got an about us. Now this is, it's a template to start with, and you can put in your information that's appropriate to you. So what I would do if I was starting up is go through each and every one of these that are going to be relevant to you and edit that template. So you go to the initial proposal and change the value, change the data so it looks and feels more pertinent to your business. Let's see if we go back to, what was the one that we just created? About us. If we edit that and the page that's there, you would change this so that it's relevant to your work. So you can just create it easily once, and you can then just reference it, and it just generates showing the same information each time. And you can then adapt it for each client if necessary, but the main bulk of that information is there and ready. And each one of those templates is there and done for you already. Obviously, some of these are legal details, so it's just examples of, but you can go to your solicitor and make sure that it's fine, or put in your own version in there, but it's just a means for you to be able to generate templated documents with ease. Now, in this instance, from the main portal pages, you have to select the client. And if I quickly go up to the client itself and go to the documents, as you can see, that about us is now there, but I could quickly add in a client contract. So it appears, so it takes the template, creates a page for that client contract, and you have got the template that you've worked on and agreed, and therefore can just link in to that client each time. So these are all templates available for you to be amended and edited as you see fit, and they're ready and good to go. And as you can see, I'll come out of the client now. Let's go back into the client. And as you can see, now that we're back in the client, that client contract is there. And if we go back to the document generator, we can see that the client contract is there and it's linked to client A. So it is a good mechanism for making sure everything is organised.